Hi guys, how are you doing? Root 1 Shrike back with another video, and in this video we are going to see a new updates on Shrike Linux. Shrike Linux, there are some of things we changed. We changed our logo. We added some of programs, and I removed some of programs, and also in this video I'll talk about the future of Shrike Linux, and what else I added wallpapers too. Added some wallpapers also, and also I themed our Caramoris installer, and those are things I think I didn't do much, but I did some of good work here. So let's log in and see how it is. Then you see what we have added and how it works, and what are the changes we are going to take. Let me do this. Okay, so here, this is Shrike Linux. As I've told you, there are some updates I want to make. Like I know you guys, you are running Shrike Linux, some of you, because I'm seeing on my sourceforge that there are some people who downloaded these ISOs, and maybe you tested it. Maybe you didn't like it, or maybe you liked the way it is. So what we are going to do is that I was planning, these are our wallpapers, I was planning to add the repository for pen testing tools, and then I make this ISO minimal, because right now it is 6 GBs, and of which it's just 400 tools. So being that there are people who loves to use it, but again, being that it is big and it is targeting just a few community, I find that most of people don't want to use it. So what I wanted to do is that to just put a repository. If you like to use it as a pen testing distro, you can do so. But if you like to use it as a home distro, daily driving distro, then you can do so again. So that is what I wanted to say. I think I'm going to build an ISO whereby I've removed some of things. I minimize it to like 3 GBs and some points there. I see. Alright, this is our launcher, our Calamari installer. Let's start installing. Swap to file, root 1, one Shrike. Password. Okay, so this one is our Shrike Linux. So I've told you what I'm going to do with it, and then I think you guys you like it, because most of people okay, there is someone who said that I like Shrike Linux, but it is big. So not only one person, but 4 people. So what I'll do, I'll add the repository. Then if someone wants to go on and download those tools for hacking tools, then you will do so. But if you feel like you want to run the distro as a home use, you can do so again. You don't need to download those tools. I mean, you don't need to be stressed with all tools which you will not use. We had just 4 tools. Even in this one, we still have those ones, but most of them are command line tools. That's why here you won't see them popping out. Yeah, so but that is it. That is, here you won't see them because most of those tools are command line tools. We have even here Wireshark. Most of them are command line tools, so that's why you can't see them. Alright, so I'll come back later. Okay, I'm back. It's about to finish the installation, and also I've seen that I forgot to remove to uncheck this button, but I'll remember on the next update. I forgot the bash RC. I forgot it. Okay. I will the one which I'll upload, it won't be 6.6 GBs. It is going to be brought down to 3 GBs. Then for now I won't include the repository because I've not yet created a repository for those hacking tools. So pen testing tools. I have not yet created a repository for them, so for now I won't add them. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove all those tools, as I've told you first of when we were starting the video. So that is it. And also what I forgotten to add is my bash rc. I'll add that file there, and let me see if I forgot this one too. Yeah, I forgot even this one. I forgot mpv configs. Add them. Okay, have a nice time wherever you are. Bye.